Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can play Rocket League 101 with your friend or the party member. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS4, PC or your friend is using other platform. This method will work. Right, so first of course what you need to do here is to party up with your friend and then press play and then press on custom games and then press on private match, and then as you can see here press on create private match if you are creating and join private match if you're joining, and then select the game mode. So select soccer, arena random, one versus one, no bots, party only, and then create a match. And then as you can see here is joining, and simply I connected two controllers, and as you can see here now I can play Rocket League on split screen with my friend on my one PS4. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.